This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Janine DeMello. Oh my! This home is the epitome of move-in ready. Meticulously maintained, recently updated, it can't disappoint. Fifth bedroom is the frog. A partial rundown of the renovation and updates. 2018 new wood flooring down, and new carpet up. Kitchen facelift has included granite counters, stove, dishwasher, garbage disposal and cabinet facings. 2018 new roof. 2019 and 2020 all new windows. Water heater is 6 years young. Exterior doors, including garage door, have been upgraded. HVAC has been on a regular maintenance program and includes new compressor and new coil. Current termite bond and home warranty. Gorgeous park-like setting.